So you may be asking, hey Twiggy, why are you playing a Sesame Street game? I have nothing better to do while I'm waiting for another thing to upload. So let's fucking go. Astro Group. What the fuck are this? How many zips? Beam that number, adding countdown, take it away zips, sum up, sum down. What the fuck is zips? How many zips? Alright. What? What? I guess zips are like an alien? Okay, that's 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's really fun that the directional pad is not consistent at all. It keeps going wherever it feels like, so I can't do anything. Really. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 again. That's 7 zips. Oh. What? Why are you doing the same amount of zips? Shaking my head, Nintendo. This is why the Switch is failing. I don't know if the Switch is failing or not. Okay, I guess we're making a house. Okay, let's see. What are you gonna do, UFO? What are you going to do? Fuck you. Fuck you, Grover. Let's do letter go round. How about one letter? Spell the secret word. Okay. H. Okay, no H. Oh, wait, there is H. F. U. And I guess, like, U. Thanks, Bert. Thanks, Bert. Hug? Will that work? Alright, I guess that works. Thanks, Bert. Oh, there's Cookie Monster. The fuck are you doing here? What does Cookie Monster have to do with anything? There's Bert that helped me. What the fuck are you doing, Cookie Monster? What the fuck are you doing? I'm incredibly distressed about this situation, I think you can tell. Oh shit, some fireworks are going out because I spelled hug. I want to go home, take off this uniform, and leave the show. Let's see. I'm gonna try and spell raspberry. Fuck you. Fuck you, Sesame Street. Okay, S. Okay, S. S is one of the letters. Thanks, Bert. A. I guess the word say. Thank you once again, Bert. Make this harder. That letter do be bouncing, though. Yeah, the word is, say. Fuck yes! Fuck yes, it's Big Bird. Fuck yes. Hell yeah. Fuck to the yeah. I fucking love Bitted Bird. Thank you. Thank you so much. You don't understand how happy I am to see you. You do not understand how happy I am to see you. Very sad that you have left us. Question, why are the graphics so good in this game? Like I don't expect much out of, like, shovelware, but this is alright. Alright, what's missing? Okay. That's the letter that's missing, though. Okay. Ernie's magic shapes. Okay. Once again, the D-pad does not do anything. Match the color. Okay, blue. Pretty easy. Yeah, it's blue. Thanks, Ernie. Pretty good, bunny. Okay, blue again. There we go. Why is there like a fighting game life bar at the top? It's kind of strange. What are you implying, Ernie? What the fuck are you implying, Ernie? Please tell me. Okay, red. This is too easy. Let's do the hardest difficulty, assumedly. Fuck you. Okay, let's do the hardest difficulty, assumedly. Okay. What? Red? Okay. This isn't too hard. Gotta find the right shapes and the right colors. Okay, fuck, that's the right one. This is a very boring video, isn't it? Okay. Let's try, Ernie's big, I keep calling him Bernie. Let's try the super challenge. What? What is this? Okay, I guess it's like the pipe game, like the one in No More Heroes. Pipe. There we go. What happens if I get it to Cookie Monster? What happens then? Let's find out. Why are you throwing it around? That seems like it's gonna make a lot of a mess. Why are you returning it, Ernie? Why don't you want it back? Okay. Okay, I know how I want it. Up, right, left, right, up. Up, right. Okay, up. Okay, so right, up. And then upright once more. And so he gets it. It didn't do anything. Okay, right down. Down right. Down up. I mean right, up, left up. Okay, that does nothing. Okay. Here, have your fucking duck again. I wanted to give it to Cookie Monster because he's nice. Fuck you. Let's try Astro Grover one more time. Beam that number. That's probably... Fuck you. That's probably easy. That's probably more understandable than how many zips. Okay, 7. That isn't 7. That 7? Yeah, that's 7. Okay. Where am I beaming them to? Where am I beaming them to? I guess that ship? I guess this is really a Star Trek moment. Adding countdown, what's that? You know what? I don't care. Sesame Street's the series 5. Y'all know numbers, right? I don't really need to talk more about this. Fuck numbers.